In today's video, you're gonna learn how to edit in CapCut. Okay, my face in my videos. But anyways, today I'm gonna teach you how to edit using CapCut. Okay, so stay tuned to that. First of all, you just open CapCut. Yeah, you download it first. It's completely. Don't worry about. It's completely free. See, I'm gonna use this photo. Okay. If you wanna make a video, you just choose many photos as you like. But I just use this. Okay, first of all, you have to delete this because it's really bad for your channel if you have a channel. But then if you want it short, just make it. Just press the aspect ratio. Where is it? This here. See the aspect ratio. If it's 9:16, it's short. If it's 16:9, it's gonna be a YouTube video, and 101 is gonna be an Instagram. And also don't forget, if you make it 16:9 and you try to upload it as short, it won't work. Okay, so guys, beware. Okay. So basically, we're just gonna use this photo right here. To edit. First of all, most thing in CapCut is to add to it an animation. You just press on the photo, like that, you saw. Okay, then press animation. See it right there, the animation. Then just choose the one which you like. Like one, for instance, I'm gonna use this. Okay. See this? You could make it longer or shorter. It's your choice. And also, if I recommend if you're like doing an edit about a character and you want it to be attracting, just make the first photo like the first photo of the whole video like 1.5 seconds or 2 seconds, and make the whole animation like the full bar. Okay, see like that? It will turn out like this. See? Okay. That's how to add animations. And if you want to add effects to the video, like to the photo itself, just press on the photo. You see here, press on the photo again, press effects and video effects. Like if you want it, you could choose any one of those. Like see, we have past choices. Okay, and style. Don't worry about that. Okay, and if there's like many photos and many overlays, which I'm gonna talk about later in future videos, you could just press this effect, video effects. Okay, this will add effects to every single video and overlay, like every single thing. Like for instance, I could just do like this. I could make it longer. If I add many photos, let me just add another photo, like this Android photo. Like this. I could just make it for every single the whole photos. Okay, so I added effects. Look how it turned to be, guys. Okay, pretty sick, to be honest. Okay. And body effects, it only works if you're gonna make like if you took a picture of someone. Okay, it doesn't work for normal photos. So don't try. And here now you gotta add audio. Like it's probably the most important part, because without audio the video won't be good. Okay, so I just gotta add this. Okay, and also don't forget to shorten the audio as the length of your photos, because if you make it longer, the video will just keep on going without any content happening. So just don't forget that. Wait, let me just resize this a bit. Okay. Now. Wait, I'm sorry, guys. Here. Okay, so basically this is how it turned out. It's pretty basic, but like pretty simple to CapCut's actually good. And also one of the most important stuff is transitions. See, you have to press on these little white stuff. Like in between them. Okay, so basically, choose whatever you want. There's also an option if you have like 3 or more photos, you could apply for all, but because I only have 2, so it doesn't work like that. And that's pretty much it. One last thing, overlays. You can just add an overlay. Okay. So if I add this as an overlay, see that it became an overlay, and just you could like do whatever you want. Basically, here's a simple keyframe trick. just basically a keyframe at the beginning of the video, and then a keyframe at the end. And at the end one, just change the size or like where the photo is. Yeah, now look what happens. So basically, yeah, it's basically moving. You can also change the speed if you want to. Just press on this little graphs button. You see that? Yeah, you see that graph button? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, you could choose the speed. Let me just choose the most famous one, quad out. You can also like adjust it. Like if you press adjust, now you could add the beat. So if I want to make it really fast, yeah. Wait, I could do like this. Yes, yeah, turned out. Wait, let me just adjust the tree. Yeah, so it got turned out like this. Kind of like this. Okay, so yeah. Yeah. And also, like, if you want to add overlays, best thing to do is just remove the background. Yeah, from here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I basically moved. Then, yeah, see, now it looks good. But like, I just did random photos, so like, don't do like me. So yeah. Okay, don't copy that. Okay, so anyways, guys, yeah, it's the end of the video. Okay, yeah. We're gonna explain later stuff for later video, and also before you leave, just don't forget to subscribe and like, and join my Insta. It's in my bio, and also my Discord server is in my bio too. Yeah, just press export now. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so later, guys, and bye. Don't forget to subscribe and bye.